Hi, hope you all are doing great. We welcome you to IIJ's virtual first online mega trade show of the country. We'll take you through the exhibitor dashboard today to give you an insight of how you can upload your content and update your profile. Provided with exhibitor dashboard link, login ID and passcode, you can log into your exhibitor board which has few options like product catalog, seller profile, videos and links. To upload your content seamlessly, we request you to kindly prepare a folder at the back end on your desktop which has all the required data and content that you want to upload. When you click on product catalog, you land to this page which gives you an opportunity to add 100 plus products individually. Please note that the image should be in 1:1 aspect ratio and it should be less than 3 MB in size. The first 25 products that will be added will be visible to all, and beyond that, the buyer will need your permission to access more products. Also, editing in product catalog image will not be allowed after 3rd of October 2020. To add new product, click on add icon, click on add image. It will lead you to the folder that you have created at the back end and select the desired product you want to add. To select the product category, click on drop down icon. You can either type it here or you can scroll it down to select the product category. To select the product type, click on drop down icon. You can either type it here or scroll it down to select the product type. To add the product code, go to the backend sheet that you have created for your products, which has all the information. Select the product code from the sheet, copy it and add it here. To add the description, we'll again go back to the sheet which you have created for individual products, copy and paste. Click on save and all of these information get saved here. In case if you want to edit something, click on edit. All of these becomes editable and you can do the required changes and click on save to get all these changes saved. I'll quickly show you how you can add on more products. Click on add icon, add image. Select the desired product that you want to add in. Click on drop down icon, product category. Product type drop down icon. For product code, go back to the sheet that you have created. Copy the product code, paste it here. For product description, again go back to the sheet that you have created. Copy the detail and paste it here. Click on save and this entire product details get saved here. In case you want to delete any product, you can directly click on delete and your product get deleted. Please note that the product category that you're adding will work as a keywords for a buyer to reach out to you. When you click on seller profile, you land to this page, which gives you an opportunity to add logo. To add logo, click on this space, select the desired logo that you want to add in. Please note, the aspect ratio of the logo should be 1:1 and it should less than 1 MB. Also, quickly you can add in the name, description, brand story, product philosophy and design ideology. Please note that adding these information and logo is crucial for you because this is how you will be represented and considered by a buyer. When you click on video, it gives you an opportunity to add YouTube video links. Please note, only YouTube links will work and no other link will work, and we can add 12 links. You can quickly add in the title, the description and the YouTube video link here. In case if you want to edit it, click on edit icon. All of these fields become editable and you can do the required changes and you can quickly save that. The links option give you an opportunity to add different links of your social media handle, which is Facebook page, Instagram profile, Twitter handle. And apart from this, we can add more links, which are website link, contact us page, presentation link, brochure link, and other link. You click on submit to update all these information. By clicking on preview icon, you can actually check the outcome of the data and the content that you have uploaded, which is catalog, videos that you've added, your profile. We hope we have successfully delivered you the processes of how you can upload your content. In case of further assistance required, please call following respective numbers for help and assistance. Thank you.